Why does he live long and endure? He who each day sees his sorrow increase. For all my joys have now turned into tears, because of a cruel grief that in my heart endures. For there is no joy so great when I think on it, that could drive away the grief that I have. Therefore I cannot match words nor sounds, for a man when he weeps cannot sing. Well, I must sing just by such a nature as the swan that sings with sorrow. When it dies, and I sing lamenting my Lord, whom I have lost with grief and with rancor. Lord Nuno, for whom I ought to have died when I lost him. If one should slay oneself, he ought to die. For when a man loses his good and dear Lord, he ought to die, since nevermore can he regain him. I shall never say such great misfortune, Lord Nuno, though I have such great sorrow that you are dead, for that would be folly to say. For he is dead, for whom God has no care. But God has summoned you to come to him, because you knew how to serve him in joy and worth. And those are dead who used to love you, who have lost you, Lord, without recovery. With you is dead sense and openness and measure, for which every man must have sorrow, and all good qualities that befit worth. And die with you, so that falseness lives again. Lives again! Here among those who do not thank you for it, but he who wants worth, let him gaze upon your deeds. For thus he will know how to gain God and worth, and honor himself and everything besides. Now I may well say that all the world grows worse, for there is no joy that does not turn to sorrow, except only the rich joy of our Lord. So he seems a fool to me who aims or persists in any other joy but obeying God. Wretched world, with sorrow you make to end all your deeds, so no man must fix himself upon your love, but rather for his well-being. Lord, you know, of you I can in truth say that never did he love you but to serve God, and to advance and honor his own, and to confound and bring low the wicked. Lord, I pray God to protect your soul, for you have left me here more than enough to weep over.